documenting this in case I explode, and it's like super neat footage. Yeah. Who the hell refills lighter? You kind of just throw them away. Am I right? Am I right? I don't even know why I'm doing this. I don't use lighters for nothing. I just thought it'd be neat to refill a lighter. Just shove this in there violently. That's what the streets say. Turn it upside down. Maybe. Does that make sense a little bit? Ah. Ooh. Ah. Okay. This probably don't even work for this, but here we go. Oh no, I do. Look at that. Look at that fluid up in there. Yeah. Yeah. I guess to the line, right? I want to test it, but it can explode. Well, that's what the point of the video is, right? All right, whatever. I probably shouldn't test it, right? All right, neat. It can't focus. Oh, there it is. Cool. All right, bye.